guys, let's go camping. Alright, so. Am I supposed to be in one by myself, or? It's okay, you guys look like you know what you're doing. Alright, how do I start the game? Oh, bye, dude. Okay.
Oh, well, you aren't supposed to see this text.
Oh. Well. Oops. Hi. Sorry if I'm clearing my throat.
So this game is going to be another story game, right?
It looks like it. Sorry if I'm clearing my throat a lot, by the way, I'm kind of sick.
It's weird that the place name is campsite, but we are in an elevator. Well, let's see what is going to happen.
Sorry, I can't read it while it's like typing because like my brain gets confused. I have to let it type out and then read it. Girl, do you know how to play the game? Nope. Nope. Let's do this. Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jerry, and it's nice to meet you all. Today we will go camping.
Alright. Okay.
Why isn't nobody excited?
I'm excited. See? Look! Look!
Maybe it's because this is the first camping game that we have played.
What? Yes, it is.
This one's different.
I haven't played a camping game before. What are you talking about?
Okay, follow me. I will show everything.
Oops. Oh. There. Oh, where'd it go? Oh.
Everything here is safe and beautiful. Look at this wonderful frog.
Wow, what a very nice frog.
Isn't it cute?
Nice green, very green frog. Oh!
Sometimes nature can be cruel. Let's continue on our way. Here we are. Spooky woods. Peaceful place to camp. Let's go.
Hot baddie, I think I'm being flirted with. Okay, Girl, taken. But listen, I know my bald head says let's go.
What's wrong with Jerry?
I heard something. Someone is here with us.
Oh gosh.
A monster! Everyone run!
Where do I run to? Where? Run where? Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's just Bob. Don't worry, he's peaceful.
This is strange.
Don't say that, you will hurt his feelings.
Can I walk up to
Huh?
But he wasn't supposed to be here. The rope must have broken. Anyways, I will tie him again.
What? Tie him again?
Come with us, Bob.
I don't want Bob to come with us, you know? I think I'm okay without Bob. Alright. Story never told before. There. Okay, oh, why are we... Can I move?
We are finally here.
I can't move. It's back there.
Bob won't cause troubles now.
Are you sure?
I don't think Bob should be going with us.
Of course.
You know, if Bob mauls us in our sleep, I'm blaming you.
Now I will continue showing the campsite. This is the cabin. We are going to sleep outside tonight, though.
Why? Yeah, why?
Why?
Why not?
You have a point.
Bob, okay.
Okay, follow me. I will show the bathroom.
I don't think this girl likes Jerry. Alright, well, why is this? Oh, sorry.
Almost there.
I'm gonna beat you to it. I'm gonna beat you to it. Oh my gosh, why you walk so fast? Why do I walk so slow? Well, I don't know why. It's probably because the one blocky leg.
This is the bathroom.
Oh, what do I do?
Come here when you need.
When I need what? Oh, when I need?
Hey, Jerry. I think someone is here.
Oh my gosh! Look at my character. Oh, I'm
Who's that guy?
yeah a ghost.
I don't know.
Can I run out? Can I run out? Oh, you know, he ran out. Okay.
He's gone.
And he didn't wash his hands?
Ew. Ew.
Let's forget it. It's nothing to worry for.
Okay.
So, I will let you guys explore the campsite for a while.
Okay.
Don't forget that the night is coming.
Okay, where do I... Careful, Betty. Aw. Thanks. You too. Okay, anyway. What am I exploring? Oh, can I not go over there? There's a house over there. Wait. Wow, it's so much exploring. Yep. Okay.
It's almost night. We need get some wood to light the fire. It would be very good if you all could go around to get some wood.
Really? And you won't help?
Yeah.
Me?
Yes. Yes, you.
Well, okay.
Where's the wood? Oh, yeah, where's Bob?
Done.
What?
I did my part. Now it's your turn.
Okay. No, I think this.
Come on. It's not that hard.
Oh my gosh. Screw you, Jerry.
I will give a little help. Now it will be easier.
I don't know what you did.
Good job.
I think that girl carried me this whole time.
The night is coming.
Okay. Oh! Okay.
Yeah, everything is done. So... let's do some sandwiches.
Alright. Eat my sandwich. How do I eat my sandwich? Ooh, eat. 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 How do I eat it? I want to eat it. Eat. 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 I can't eat my sandwich.
Seems like the sandwiches are poisoned.
I didn't eat it, so.
Oh no. Did you guys eat it?
No. I still have it right here. Wait, I can go in the fire.
Really?
No.
This wasn't funny.
Can I, like, just jump in the fire?
I was just trying to scare everyone.
Sorry.
Well, I need to go to the bathroom now. I'm back in some minutes.
Jerry, where are you? Oh. How am I sitting?
So, I'm starting to think that this game is actually peaceful.
Is it though?
I'm wondering if something is going to happen now.
No, bro, we're not. Oh! Girl, I don't think we're safe. I don't think either.
What was that?
Oh, I'm not sitting down if that's the case.
Are you there? Jerry?
Bob. Okay.
Oh, it's just Bob.
I feel like we should be scared of Bob.
Hey, Bob. What are you doing here?
Bob is going to murder us.
I think he can't talk.
Yeah, I think so too.
Help?
Is Jerry the bad guy?
What's going on?
Bunny?
It's just a rabbit. Haha, Bob. Are you afraid of rabbits? It looks like there's someone there.
Oh! Oh, where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, she died.
You need to go to the cabin.
Where's the cabin? Where's the cabin? Oh my gosh, it's so dark, I can't see! I can't see. Am I safe in here? I can't see! Where's the cabin? Where's the cabin? Where's the cabin? Oh, there it is. The cabin. Am I safe in here? Did she die? Oh, she died.
It's Bob. Should I let him enter?
Ooh, this is. I don't trust. You know what? Let's just say yes. I'm probably gonna die if I do, but.
Come quickly, Bob.
Is Bob gonna. Am I gonna die? Is Bob gonna kill me? Maybe I shouldn't have let him in. I think that was a bad decision. Oh, I'm still alive.
What is happening in here? Why is Bob here?
I was attacked by a masked guy,
You gotta believe me! Urgh.
so I ran to the cabin. Bob followed me and I let him enter.
Oh. That's good. That's a good scary story.
What do you mean, scary story?
Haha.
Oh, screw you, Jerry.
It's not a story.
I'm starting to not like Jerry.
It's real.
Oh, I'm climbing the walls. Get off the walls.
Okay, look. We can sleep in the cabin tonight. There's no reason to be afraid. This place is 99.9% safe.
What about the 0.1%?
Now, let's sleep. But first, I need to tie Bob again.
Do not need. Let him sleep with us.
Well, okay.
I feel like that was a bad decision. Bob's gonna eat us. Or something.
What was that?
It was me.
Oh my gosh, Jerry.
I had a nightmare.
Jerry, I hate you.
Oh, okay. So let's go back to sleep.
I get the top bunk.
I can't.
Is that Wednesday Addams?
I need my teddy bear.
Oh my gosh. It's the burger guy.
Really?
Yes.
Jerry,
And where is it?
I forgot it in the bathroom.
oh my gosh. Jerry, first off, why are you bringing your teddy bear in the bathroom? No, I'm not going out there. Your teddy bear's dead.
I need it.
Oh my gosh. Why can't you get it?
You need to get it for me.
Why can't you? Jerry, I hate you. If I...
No!
Yeah, no!
There's an assassin outside. You want me to go out just to get your teddy bear?
First of all, there's no assassin. Second, I really can't sleep without my teddy bear.
Oh my gosh, I really hope the assassin breaks in and kills you first, Jerry.
If I don't sleep, the game won't continue.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Jerry, I hate you. I hope the assassin breaks in and kills you first.
I'm waiting here.
Where's the bathroom? Where's the damn bathroom? I don't want to go out there. Where's the bathroom at? my gosh, it's so dark I cannot see. Jerry, I hate you. I don't even know where the bathrooms are. I can't see anything. That's the water. Oh, sorry, shoot. Come on. Where are the bathrooms? Because I can't see anything out here. And then it's gonna appear and I'm gonna die, and if I die, then it's on Jerry, okay? He's the one that has to pay for it. Alright, sign all the paperwork. Oh my gosh, where's the bathrooms at? Is there a map? Can I hide in here? Gosh, it's so dark. I cannot see. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I had to shut that light off because I cannot see anything. And I still can't see anything. Can I turn my brightness up? Where's the bathroom at? 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 Oh my gosh, where's the bathroom at? Is that it? That little light? Gosh, Jerry, I hate you. Jerry, I hate you so much. It's just this one. Jerry, I hate you so much. I think that's the bathroom. I'm pretty sure it's the bathroom. Jerry, I hate you so much. I hate you, Jerry. I hate you. I hate you so much. I'm going to die. And it's gonna be all your fault. Gosh, how do I get the teddy bear? Pick up.
I'm waiting here now just to go back to the cabin.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. It's gonna be all your fault. It's gonna be all your fault, Jerry. I hate you, Jerry. Where's the cabin at? That's the bathroom. Where's the cabin? I don't know where the cabin is. I can't see anything. Ah! How do I get back? Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that scared me. How do I go? I can't go anywhere. Help. 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 Jerry? 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 Jerry, this is all your fault. Jerry, this is all your fault. I can't even find the cabin. Where's the cabin? Where's the cabin? I can't find the cabin. Really? 5. Okay, back at the lot. I'm back here. Find Jerry. Got your teddy bear back. I hope you're happy. I bought Robux and I died because of your damn teddy bear. Gosh. I hate you, Jerry. I hate you so much. Well, where are you? Actually, you know what? I don't even care where you are, okay? I hope that masked guy gets to you, okay? I don't even care.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think there's a reason why Bob wants to leave you, because he knows that there's a masked guy out there, and he wouldn't even care. Bob said this place was too dangerous for him. Yeah. Good.
I don't understand.
You know what? Bob has the right idea.
What happened?
Who are you, Jerry? Gosh.
Ah! It's starting to rain. Let's go back to the cabin.
Okay.
Sorry, I dropped something else. No, you know what, Jerry? I think I'm about to bail too because I don't like you.
I need to wait here till the rain stops.
Can I go where Bob went?
Don't worry, it's like I said. This place is 99.9% safe.
Oh, sorry. Oh, crap. Oh, of course, and now there's a fire.
Oh wow. This is dangerous.
Yeah, let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave.
Let's go to that cave.
Oh my gosh, you're Jerry.
You said this place is safe.
No. I said that it is 99.9% safe.
I want to leave.
But it's okay. We can stay here and wait for help.
Oh my gosh, Jerry. I'll stay here. I'm not listening to Jerry.
It's better if we stay here.
Are we gonna burn alive?
Alright.
Can we go outside? What about going outside? Oh, we're gonna have to go to that cave, aren't we?
Maybe it wasn't the best idea.
We're gonna die, aren't we?
Oh. The help is here.
Okay, good. Nope. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're still alive?
Where are we?
Oh. This is an old abandoned place in the campsite. They used to put useless stuff here.
Is that why there's a rubber duck here?
Well, the masked guy took us here. So something is about to happen.
Are we gonna die in 7 days? Can we go through the vent? Nope, 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 nope. I wanna go through the vent. Let me go through the vent.
No. I wanna play.
Oh. No signal. Well.
Sorry. The signal is bad because it's raining. Continuing. I want to play a game.
I don't wanna.
Now, everyone there is in danger. Look at this wonderful duck. It's not a normal duck. It is a bomb.
Oh.
If one of you tries to escape, it will explode. But you can continue alive. It's simple. You just need to share this game with your friends and give it a like.
Okay.
Wait. Is this legal?
Yes,
Okay.
you have 1 minute. If none of you do it, then Come on. You know, never make your choice. Oh no. This is bad. You need to like this game now.
How do I... What?
Is this a joke?
What?
No! Do it now!
Like the game.
Lol. I can't believe that this is actually working.
Oh my god.
We'll get a lot of likes.
Mark,
This game will be adopted.
oh my gosh. Mark, I hate you.
Jerry is a genius.
I hate you and Jerry.
Ha 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 ha.
Wait, is Bob the villain?
Bob is here to save us.
Is he?
I think he's grateful because I saved him.
For some reason, I don't really trust Bob, but maybe I should now.
What? Don't forget to like the game.
Oh, screw you, Jerry.
Do not need. Bob will help us.
Oh, I think I heard something.
Get him, Bob.
Oh, my phone is ringing.
Bob, you're so creepy. I mean, you're adorable.
Hello? Yes. Yes, it's Mark.
Go, Bob.
How will you save us?
That's true. If he opens the door, the bomb will explode.
Oh.
Oh no! We need to run. The bomb is about to explode.
Bob, out of the way!
Do not need. Have you ever seen a duck-shaped bomb?
Gosh, I hate you.
Don't worry. The bomb is fake. And this is a good ending.
Oh my gosh, I hate you, Jerry. I hate you, Jerry.
Let's find Mark. He will explain everything. So are you telling me that the duck toy that you made is actually a real bomb? Well, at least you told me on time. I need to go there.
Mark, I hate Mark, I hate you.
Oh.
That's the ending? Oh. Well. Thanks for playing. Alright. Lol. Oh, wait. I saw that ending. Are you disappointed? No, I'm pretty okay. You did everything right. But you know, if you had gone through that cave, you would have gotten a better ending. Anyways, here's your badge. I see you in another game. Oh. Or, if you play this game again and choose the cave, yes, that's it. Goodbye. Alright, so that was a normal camping game. If you guys liked it, make sure to let me know. If you want me to try for the other ending, make sure to let me know and I will do that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.